looking for a home that's going to get you close to hunting and fishing? This might be the one. My name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate, and I'm coming to you from Whitebird, Idaho. We have the Salmon River right down here below us. We have some great views of it on this deck. And then we have the Forest Service right up here behind us, and there's some great hunting right here on this property as well. Let's go take a look around. I think you're really going to like this one. When you have a property that has great views, your house needs to have a great deck as well. And this one has it. We've got this area right here that we're walking across that is plenty big for entertaining your friends. This wraps around the front of the house where it has these great picture windows. We're going to be able to see out those when we walk inside the house. Has this great little covered area as you walk into the front door. There is a 2-car garage. We're going to get to it in a few minutes. Door. There's some nice French doors here, and if you've moved as much stuff as I have in my life, you really appreciate having that big entrance and exit to move in and out of a house. We walk directly into the living room, and then we've got these gigantic picture windows here. You can really capture the view out of them. I also want you to know, you're not going to be able to tell it on the camera there, but those windows are tinted and keeps a lot of that UV light so it doesn't ruin your furniture, and it keeps the heat from the sunlight way down in your house. That is a great feature that a lot of houses up here don't have. We also have the gas fireplace right over here. Then we're going to move right into the kitchen. And I really like this kitchen a lot. As you can see, most of this house has kind of got the rustic wood grain feels to it. And for some reason, this just reminds me of an old farmhouse kind of cabinetry in a kitchen. I really like it. There's some gray granite here, really nice kitchen. Got the stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, lots and lots of cabinets in here. The electric range, got the microwave built over the top. Great window when you're looking out doing dishes. You have a great view out of there. It makes that job of doing dishes a little bit nicer. Now let's go check out the upstairs master suite. Here we are in the master suite, and every time I see a house that has one of these, it gets me super jealous. I really like these. You could have a gigantic king-size bed in here, a couch, a love seat, a recliner, still have plenty of room. This is just a great, great little area. I like it a lot. We have a walk-in closet right over here, as you can see. And then we're going to go into the master bath, which is just as big as the master suite here, but you got your walk-in shower. You have the dual vanity right here. And then we're going to show you the big soaker tub. And of course, everything up here has tons of windows so you can get out and really see that view on all sides of this room. Really is a cool, cool spot. I think you're going to like it a lot. But now let's go back down to the main floor and check out those other bedrooms. Just to make it real easy for you to follow along, you're back in the kitchen, so we're on the main floor. And I'm just going to tease this door. Leads to something I have never seen in a house before. I think it's pretty interesting. You're going to have to stay towards the end of the video to find out what it is, though. Then we have this small pantry area. Not very large, but with all the cabinet space in this kitchen, I don't think you're going to need a large pantry. Then we're going to walk into the main bathroom here. Very cool. It's got that rustic feel going to it. A lot of rough cut lumber here. We've got the stand-up shower. There's a vanity. Then we have a linen closet in here, and there's also a door that hides the hot water heater. Now let's go check out the other two bedrooms. Okay, now we're walking into this bedroom. Probably a decent sized bedroom. I wouldn't call it large, but plenty big for a twin size bed, a full bed. Has a closet right there. Then we're going to shoot straight across the hall, and this is a much larger bedroom. You could easily have a queen size bed in here and a dresser. In fact, that's what was in here before. We've got the closet right there. All right, now we're right outside of the front door, and this does have a detached 2-car garage. There's a concrete floor in there, and there's also some electricity. It's not insulated, but a good steel structure. It's probably not going to go anywhere for a very long time. This property does have about 20 acres on it, but if you know Whitebird at all, out of 20 acres, sometimes you're lucky if you have a half acre that's usable. This property actually has about 4 acres up here on top that is pretty nice and flat. And so if you want to build a shop, there is plenty of room up here to build a nice big shop. Also want to kind of just keep panning back over. I want to show we have a Generax generator over there. If you ever lose power, we got it there hooked up. It's ready to go. It can fire right up and power your house in an emergency situation. Also, while I've got you, I want to do a couple of things. One, I want to let you know I'm the only broker in this area who does videos like this for all of his listings. So if you find this content valuable in your home search, please let me know simply by hitting the like button. I'd also love it if you would comment on it. I do enjoy reading all the comments and trying to respond to all of them. Also, I want to let you know towards the end of the video, if you know me and when watching my videos, you know I love steelhead fishing, and I do it right down here on the Salmon River. We're just a couple of miles from the Hammer Creek recreational area that has a boat launch. So if you're into fishing, you are right here close. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to snap in me catching a fish or two. And also the owner has provided me with some great pictures of bucks that have been here on the property. So if you're interested in that, make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video for that content as well. Now let's go check out that unusual space I was teasing you about earlier. So here it is. We have the crawl space of the house. We have a garage door that opens it. That door I was showing you earlier has a nice staircase down in here. But look at this crawl space. We also have a man door to get out of here. But this area is a great spot for a workshop. If you're into reloading, fishing, doing fishing tackle, that kind of stuff, make a great spot. Being the crawl space, it's going to be pretty cool during the summer, and it's going to stay decently warm in the winter as well. They have spray-in insulation up here in the ceiling. If you wanted to do any remodel work or anything, I mean, everything's easily accessible down here. Really is a cool spot. I don't think I've ever seen this on a house before. It makes it very unique, but I don't know why more people don't do something similar to this that makes your crawl space really usable. And I mean, look at, I'm over 6 foot tall, and I mean, I can't even come anywhere close to the ceiling up here. It's probably 10 feet. So really is a cool spot. All right, so we've come to the end of the video. I can't show you everything up here. Some of it you just got to come up here and experience yourself. Like even right now, there really is a great view of the Salmon River, but it's really hard to capture on the camera. I think you're really going to like it when you come up here. But a few more things to know. One, if you're interested in the price and all the other important information, go to the video description. I have all the information you're looking for down there. You can hit the links that go to the interactive map I have on this property, and also have a link that goes to my website, and I'll have the price posted in there. I don't do it on the video simply because if I speak it, it's here forever, and sometimes prices change, sometimes other information changes. So all that important information is down in the video description. It's super easy to find, and it'll help you out. Also, one more thing, if you want to help me make more videos like this, and if you're on Zillow, Realtor.com, or what's the other one, Homes.com, go in and leave a review for Earl Musick as a realtor here in North Central Idaho, and let people know the reason you like me is because I do these videos and nobody else does. I'd appreciate it a lot. It'll help me get more listings and make more content like this for your enjoyment. you.